Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the router model and current firmware so you fetch the correct update. Next, connect your computer by Ethernet and log into the router's admin page. This prevents dropouts during the update. Once done, export or screenshot the configuration so you can restore anything that changes. Make sure to disable VPN and close other network apps. These steps reduce risk and let the router update cleanly without interruptions or mismatched files. You now download the official firmware for your exact model from the manufacturer site and review the release notes to see fixes and compatibility. If a checksum is available, compare it so you avoid corrupted files. Then open the router's firmware upload page, select the file, and start the update. Do not power off, disconnect Ethernet, or close the browser window while it writes. Once complete, the router will reboot. Allow a few minutes for services to fully restart before proceeding. You finish by verifying the firmware version in the admin page and testing connectivity on a phone and a laptop to ensure DNS and Wi-Fi are working. If settings changed, restore your backup or reconfigure manually, then update the admin password and re-enable any security features you turned off. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to use the router's recovery mode or perform a factory reset, then reapply the saved configuration. This often recovers a bad update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.